Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to get Roblox on Nintendo Switch. Alright, let's begin. First, open System Settings on your Nintendo Switch and go to Internet. Select Internet Settings, then choose your Wi-Fi connection. Click Change Settings, then go to DNS Settings and switch from Automatic to Manual. Next, set the primary DNS to 045.055.142.122. If you make a mistake, press the B button to clear it. Once entered correctly, press the plus button to confirm, then select Save. Your settings are now saved. Now connect to the network. If an error appears, it is normal. When prompted, click Next, then select Continue to Google. This will open the Google search page. In Google, type Roblox and press Done. The first search result should be roblox.com. Click on it to access the Roblox login screen. From here, you can log in or create a new account. Once logged in, you can access Roblox through the browser on your Nintendo Switch. While it is not a dedicated app, this method allows you to play and interact with the platform. So, that's basically how you can get Roblox on Nintendo Switch. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.